Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna go through Weed.io, where you can go ahead and edit your videos with a little knowledge, and the pricing of it will be this one. You can try Weed with the free plan. Now this is the annual discount. It would be 10 euros, for example, per month, billed yearly, so it would be 120. If you would use Pro, then it would be 26, and Enterprise you should talk to sales. So you can see what it differs, how it differs. So basically it's maximum one editor, 200 video templates, and some exporting videos in full HD, royalty-free assets. Here you get to get all of the AI tools they have. You can translate videos to 50 languages, and also some custom brand logos and so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna start with a free plan and sign up. Now, once you are here, you will see all of these, like a recorded video, create a new project, create AI avatar video, with template, AI text to video, and so on and so forth. So for today, let's go ahead and see the templates. From here, you can actually upload your own video to a template and then just change the text. And that's basically it. So you can go through all of these. And let's, for example, choose this one and start editing it. It's almost for 40 seconds video. So from here, you will get all of these templates, as you can see. Here is the video itself, here's the music, you get all of the subtitles, and so on and so forth. As you can see, this is how it looks like. You can change the text just by clicking on it and changing the text right there. The same goes here. And this is basically a template you can use, and it would be way easier. Just you need to change this video itself. So to do this, we're gonna click on the media, and here you can upload a file. So you want to upload your own file and your own video here. You can also record it if you want to. Or, of course, you can just go ahead and change the avatar and use it from here. If you would click on the audio, you can go ahead and change the music, add a new one. For example, if we would click on this one, you can go ahead and change the sound, the speed of the music, of the audio itself. And there are some magic tools like remove background noise if you would upload your own audio here, or if you would use audio from your own video. Now, there's also some animations, as you can see right there. Also some transitions between a few videos, and some magic tools like remove background, green screen, magic cut, eye contact, always look at the camera. It can change that even. So make sure to explore all of this Weed. You can go ahead and click on subtitles and change them right there. As you can see, they even write what to do. There's also some text which you can go ahead and add, just like so. And enter it right there. And of course, change the color, the style, and so on and so forth. They also have a lot of elements which you can add to a video and even animate it.
Watch it.
Just like so. So that's pretty much it, guys. You can explore here with transitions and so on and so forth. Go to some settings and change anything you like. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.